wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ho ho ho, it's a Christmas miracle.
That's right, right here is the Sony A7III, Australia's elusive camera of the year. We've had this guy on pre-order for months and months and months, and finally, thanks to the annals of eBay, we finally got ourselves on an Australian edition of the Sony A7III. We're pairing up with the kit lens. And you know, my friends, we're going to start this off with an easy unboxing, but be prepared because we're going to be doing a deep dive review very soon, as well as a setup guide for this baby. So stay tuned for that. But for now, prepare yourselves for the quality to go into the smartphone Samsung Galaxy S9. It's going to look bad. It's going to look really bad.
I interrupt this important news announcement for an unboxing of the box. Introducing your hosts. Downvote number 1. Introducing the next second host, downvote number 2.
Hey guys, today we are actually giving you a world exclusive unboxing of the box of the Australian version of the Sony A7III. Now I know this camera came out 10 months ago for normal people. Over here in Australia, it's actually just come out.
It does take time for things to travel.
We actually still have this on pre-order, but we got bored of waiting because every single month they kept on saying it will come next month, every single month. So we were on the eBay, we found a Sony warranty verified seller, and we bought this camera. We got it actually really cheap, so thank you eBay sales. A lot cheaper than on retail, but as you can see, the box looks a bit dodgy. I don't know, I'm hoping this is not a sign of bad things. So let's just unbox it and see.
Let's just do it.
What you get,
do
right,
it.
ladies?
Thank you so much. Ah, it's sealed! It's got the Sony seal on it. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Oh,
nice.
yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
And
Alright, that's it. That's it. Chuck this away. We don't need this. Okay.
Alright, so if you are getting an A7III, you should be getting this seal.
And it says if seal is broken.
Has it been tampered with at all?
I don't think so.
Official A7III Australian edition. This is actually, it feels weird holding in my hands. Like we went the Sony rep for Australia, right?
Yeah,
or Queensland. He was like, I got the only one in Queensland. There's a long waiting list.
Yeah.
And there was only one in stock, and he wanted to charge us a lot of money for it. He also was saying the A7S3 might be coming out in March. You heard it here first. It's the best product of 2018-2019, camera of the year, Sony A7III, TPA World Awards. It's got Wi-Fi and all that stuff. You can get extra gear with it. I don't want to open this first. I want to open up the lens. Yeah. So this is the kit lens that you can get with the camera. Now Sony lenses are expensive AF, but this guy is about $300 when you get it from eBay. So it's not $300 Australian dollars. So it's a lot cheaper. Whereas a proper Sony lens is over $1,000.
Yeah.
So
this is a good starter kit, I reckon.
I don't know about the quality of this lens, but coming from a smartphone, you've seen our videos, right? They've been really bad.
These guys are dying to see our camera quality improve. Yeah,
we had a G85 before, and it was a mirrorless, but it has a micro Four Thirds sensor, and with Panasonic cameras, the autofocus is a nightmare, nighttime is a nightmare. It's got a selfie screen, which is really useful and a bit of a distraction sometimes, whereas this guy, it's full frame, so we're hoping that the autofocus is going to be amazing, nighttime is going to be amazing, and all that stuff. We talk too much, don't we? You want to unbox?
Open the box, babe.
So the lens is not sealed. That's for you guys wondering if it's sealed or not.
But it feels very new anyway. So here we go. This is, oh wow. You know I've got a thing about smelling, so it smells really new. Yeah? It smells like it's rubber. It smells very new.
You also get a lens hood.
Okay, so you've got 2 caps, and this is the main one. Let's have a look.
It looks cheap. It feels plasticky. It doesn't feel like a premium metal lens. It's just a basic lens. But we'll be showing you what kind of image you get out of this camera with the cheapo lens.
That's it. You don't really care about what it looks like. You care about what the quality is like, which we will show you.
I can't believe we've got an actual lens over here. What is that? All right, a world exclusive. This is the Australian A7III. I think the only difference between a normal A7III is the charger. Oh. And over here in Australia, you actually get 2 years warranty.
As
not
opposed
just one.
To, really?
Yeah, yeah.
That's awesome.
So we get 1 extra year. They did.
Yeah. You can't. It's stuck, isn't it? Hack.
Oh.
Ah, there you go. It's broken. The seal is broken. No, you can't do it.
Is it not working?
Yeah, look, because it's stuck, isn't it?
Okay, looks kind of tacky. I'm just going to cut it.
Cut it, it'll be neater. I like what Sony have done though. They've made it tamper-proof, so you can't even pretend that you haven't opened it.
Yeah, we got our G85 from Ted's, like at official retail pricing, and the box was opened up. He actually had the box all open. They were showing it to us like it was a display model,
Yeah,
and then he just chucked in a charger. I felt cheated.
You didn't even have a charger in the box. That was weird.
They were using it on the side.
They were.
It's open. It's open. Good luck. Whoa!
Oh, free money in it.
You get a $50 camera accessory coupon.
Valid until 31st of March, so that's cool, 2019.
Well, it better be till the 31st of March, so by the time everyone's going to get their orders. Alright, so you get camera manual in, get all these different languages. Is that Arabic? يلا ودي حبيبي حبايبي بصوا على الكاميرا دي تحط اللينز عليها وبعدين تتفرجوا على الصور حلوه قوي تطلعوا على البيراميدز وتعملي شويه.
For those of you guys out there who don't speak Arabic,
there's a big controversy happening at the moment. Some Danish guy climbed the pyramids and took a picture.
Took some pictures nude.
And now the Egyptian government's going to be going wild.
That's it. But you know what? That's not what we're here for. We're here for the unboxing of this box.
So what's in the thing?
Okay, wait. This is cute. I like this.
You get the
this
strap.
Is nice. The strap is very nice. I like it. The plug.
This is to prove that's the
this
Australian version.
See,
right? Australian.
But Ash, there's also an English one as well.
Oh, you get everything.
You get everything.
Oh.
You get Australian, American, and European.
What?
That is really cool.
I want to know, you guys that have an A7III out there, do you guys also get all the universal plugs? Because why would you guys get the Australian?
Why didn't they just make them into one plug?
I think they must have had a manufacturing run to do an international version, and that's probably the one that's taken so long.
Okay, got you. All right, off you go.
Oh, okay, no.
Go, no, please. You hang up. No, you hang up.
Come on, touch. The first touch has to go. Friends, yeah, exactly.
just go with it.
No, I'm gonna edit this stuff out.
Whoa.
Okay, show these guys.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, it feels heavy. Oh, have you ever? Oh, bum 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 bum.
Does it look new?
Yeah.
It looks new.
It's got absolutely no fingerprints. Okay. All right. In the last compartment is the battery.
This is not the battery.
It's not the battery.
There's a plug there. And there's a USB there. Alright, this is the charger. There you go. Battery at the bottom, along with a USB cable. And this is a micro USB, not a USB-C, which is cheap. But this is a cheap camera in comparison with full frames. There you go. There's the battery. It's a Z battery. I heard good things about it.
There we go. That's my baby. Alright. Why would you hide the battery at the bottom?
Alright, so this is what you get in the box. You get the beautiful camera body. You get the battery, the Z battery. You get the charger. Yes, this is the charger. And you get charging cable. This is the lens. Of course, $50 voucher from Sony. And you get 3 different charger cables. But first, let's check out the camera body. Oh la la, look at that beauty. Look at that. Has an espresso logo. I mean, NFC. They don't do a selfie screen, but you got one of these. It feels well built. It feels really nice to hold at the moment. It's very weighty. And you get, at the moment, you get these ports on the side here. This one's the headphone jack. This one's HDMI, the mini one. And this is the microphone port right here. Look at that, red. And you get USB-C as well as micro USB. Something you need to be aware of, it rattles because of these little things, but that's where the strap gets attached. So like you see, the lens is nice and beautiful, looks all good. It's the cheapest lens you can get for a Sony camera. And this is the part you want to see, if you can see it. So this is going to go pretty much on here. So first, check out the full frame sensor. Look how big that is. Look at that, gigantic full frame sensor. What? Alright, before I start shooting, I'm just going to put in the SD card. So over here, I'm using a SanDisk Extreme. It's got 90 megabytes per second, which is more than enough for this camera. I'm going to put it in slot 1 because that's the fastest slot. And there you go. That is the Sony A7III.
Oh, wow, this is so beautiful. It actually fits really nicely in my palm. I just want to say one thing. If you've got like an average size hand, It fits so beautifully around your fingers, and it's a nice clutch. You can see here that you can just grab hold of it, and it's nice and soft as well. It feels beautiful to hold. What's exciting is I'm just going to take a look for the first time at this zoom function. Oh, the picture quality. Oh my God. Look at the picture. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I'm going to take some snaps. The picture quality is amazing compared to an iPhone or a Samsung. It's got a really nice kind of bokeh effect. Like it focuses on you and everything behind you is blurred. Wow. And it just looks beautiful. You know, it's not too light. It's like a good size. I feel like, you know, it's heavy enough to not drop. Like the GH5 was quite light and it felt like really flimsy, whereas this feels like a proper, dare I say it, a man's camera. Now I'm a model. Shoot me some pictures. Make me look gorgeous.
All right, this is what she's talking about.
Ooh, it's dark in here.
Yeah, so you do actually look bright in darkness.
Wow. I love it. So clear. It's so clear.
All right, my friends, it's time to charge this baby up. And we're going to be doing a full in-depth vlogging review, some fun with this camera, show you what it really looks like comparing to all the other camera devices we have. And that was it for the unboxing, but stay tuned for more, right? We're going to have some fun with this guy.
I'm going to the beach with this.
I'm glad that we got this fella from eBay, and he actually looks like a legit camera. So guys, the links is going to be below, the guy that I bought it from, but make sure you get it from an eBay Plus member, because I guess they're more verified. And yeah, you're safe. This if I wanted to return this, I got a 30-day money-back guarantee, thanks to eBay, but I won't because I like it.
Yeah, I love it too. I'm so happy.
Bikini shoot time.
I wish we had this before.
All right, just heading into the beach at nighttime. It's 10 p.m. We're pretty far away from the spotlight, so nothing's in this area, as you can see. Just barely minimal lighting, and as you can see, or maybe you can't see, there's actually someone there. That's maximum ISO. What I'm going to do now is make it 50 ISO, because that's probably a better looking image, and get the focus locked. There you go, you got a nice, beautiful image.
I love the quality. Okay, it beats a smartphone hands down. The depth is like so much better. When you're focusing in on a close-up object, it's so crisp. The edges are so defined. And then you look at the background, it's got that nice bokeh appearance, but much nicer than an iPhone 10, I think, in my humble opinion.
I don't know why they try making out that smartphones are better quality than actual cameras. They're not. They're not. And the thing about phones, they're almost as expensive as these cameras.
Definitely. Like, okay, I get it because phones are really easy to use and cameras are bulky. But when you see the quality of this versus an iPhone, you won't ever go back. It's like what they say, once you go.
But the thing is, I gotta say, that smartphones are way easier to use. You just selfie mode, take a picture. These guys, you're gonna look a bit, yeah, you're gonna get harassed a bit more, but they are fun. I love the clickiness of the noise and all that kind of stuff.
I guess the one downside, or one of the downsides of this thing, is that you don't have a selfie screen on the camera. So it's really hard to see what you're filming. Like, for example, right now, we don't actually know if our heads are being chopped off. I blame it on you if that's the case.
Yeah, but the quality is there, and you know, what are you gonna do in life? There's always compromises. This guy has a half-an-hour recording limit, no selfie screen. It has issues with face detection if you use anything intelligent like Wi-Fi mode or anything like that. But you know, you just gotta live within your means.
You know what? I love it. I'm not gonna return.
All right, she loves it. That's it. That's the preview of the review. Stay tuned for the setup guide. But for now, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year!
And a Gunsy New Year. P.S. The drone in Gatwick wasn't us, okay? We're in Australia. Well, I know I've got a setup guide for the Mavic Pro, but I have nothing to do with that nonsense, okay?
Oh, it's dark in here. wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Don't come knocking on our door.
They arrested some random dudes.
They arrested a 54 and a 47-year-old couple who he was an ex-army dude. He used to actually work.
Served for his country. They just thrown him in prison.
He incidentally used
What's
to work.
that about?
He used to work for the police force as well. He used to be a security man, and he used to report on any suspicious behaviour.
If it's him, I'd be surprised because it sounds like it was a group of people flying multiple drones, and they can't even link the drone back to the pilot. That's bizarre.
I know. And the sad thing is his dad was about to have dinner, and he found out that his son got arrested, and he said, "I'm not hungry anymore."
What I found, you know, I'm just glad they never arrested an Arab. That's what I was worried about. I was like, please, don't be Muslim, don't be Muslim.
I think it's a cover-up. I think they just chose these two people
just to be quiet,
to quiet everyone down.
But what sucks is, I think the illiterate people, they're just going to try adding new laws. And you guys, you need to remember, this isn't a legal problem. It is illegal what they're doing. The problem is enforcement, okay? Like flying 1 kilometer away from an airfield, you can't do that. What they're having problems with right now is enforcing the law. So making it 10 miles, 20 miles, 30 miles, that will just screw over normal people. That's not the problem. The problem is enforcement. They need to be a bit more sophisticated about dropping these drones from the sky when they get too close.
Or get like equipment that can actually deal with these issues.
All right.
Anyway, this has got nothing to do with the Sony A7III.
All right, mate. Bye.